Okay, it is 6:30 on a Saturday night. It's 104 outside. It's about 90 in here, but I have this great new carb cleaning or carb rebuild kit. Gonna go ahead and replace all the O-rings on the inside, outside, and this little valve, or little idle adjustment jet that we were having issues with. I also want to check this rubber manifold to make sure it's not cracked. So let's go ahead and get this off and get it going. Okay, we have our carburetor here, we have our rebuild kit here, and some tools. Basically, the things I want to replace are this O-ring right here, with that guy in the kit, this bottom bowl, and the jets inside. So let's get to it. So we'll go ahead, show you what's in the kit. Here's our float bowl gasket. That's our intake manifold gasket there. Don't know what that is. I have no idea what this square one is. This other stuff, this little O-ring will go on this screw here, and that will hopefully fix our leak. So let's go ahead, get this guy out of here. Looks like somebody had some trouble with this leaking in the past. They put some sealer in here, and you shouldn't really need that. Here's our new guy. Fall into place just like that. And then while I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and replace the float as well, because why not? I have a new one. These are the guys we're trying to replace. It's crazy, we cleaned this last time and it's already clogged up again. That's okay. We have a new one here, so this will show you kind of how similar they are. And I can't see if you can see through there, but this old one's definitely clogged. This new one will be much better. So I'll go ahead and install him. That looks good. And we'll take our new 88 main, screw it in, cinch it down, and then put just a few ugga-duggas. This is brass, so we don't want to mess it up. Put that there. Just a few uggas. And this is our new float. I feel like our old one's fine, but while we're here, why not? Here's our old one. This is our new one. And you can see there's really not much of a difference, but I'll go ahead and put the new one in. Put our bowl back on, and we are done with the bottom portion of this carb. Okay, that looks good, feels good. Now, I want to replace the O-ring that is hopefully still in here. There may not be anything in there. Maybe there's not supposed to be an O-ring at all, because there is nothing there. That is all there is. I don't see anything here that would look like any kind of shoulder for an O-ring to ride on, which is kind of weird. So I'm going to go ahead and screw this all the way in, and then leave it 2.5 turns out, and that'll be our base for tuning this. Half one, half two, half. Okay, we got the carb reinstalled. I got a battery on the charger just to kind of help us out. Everything seems to be tight except for that guy, which we'll tighten up right now. Remove this. Get you there and see if she'll start. Sick. All right, let's try our old trick. Let's see if it finds a hole. Okay, it didn't find a hole. That's actually a good sign. Put the battery box back on here. Hopefully we are getting fuel. All right, let's try it again. Okay. Seems to be running pretty good. Idle's a little high. Let's turn that. Hey, that seems pretty good. Not too bad. That seems to run a lot better than last time. Now let's do our favorite test. Still got a leak. That boot is still leaking around here. And that's tight. I can't move it. I don't know, that's pretty weird. Feels good though. Let's take it for a test ride and see what it does. All right, I hope this fixes our issue. Let's see what happens. Good start. Oh yeah! Look at that! Yeah, she's back! Holy crap, that feels awesome. Man, I forgot how much fun these are. And everything works on it, like the turn signals, the horn. Ho, ho! She just rips. It's so funny because the suspension's all worn out. There's no rubber bushings where there should be rubber bushings, and it just kind of wobbles everywhere. But man. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby, let's go! Dude, this is so much fun. Like, big motorcycles are fun, but nothing beats this. I'm drooling on myself, or that's sweat, I can't tell. But check it out, there's 35, and we're just singing along. Woo! There's 40 uphill. Yeah, baby! Woo! Yeah, there's something about a big guy in a little scooter. It's so much fun. I guess 40 is about the fastest she'll go. But man, who gives a crap? When you're on a scooter, it's too good. Here we go. Here we go, 45, baby! Woo! Let's go! Woo! Not gonna lie, it's really scary. She's wobbling all over the place. And I only got one hand for brakes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn right here. Like that. Boom. God dang, we are just bouncing all over this road. I definitely should not be riding with one hand. But then I couldn't take you along with me. All right, I guess let's go back to the house. Cool, and that's it. She's back on the road, feeling great. I passed a cop on the way back. That was a little scary. He didn't seem to care. I guess hopefully he thinks this is 50cc or something. I don't know, but that's it. That's a wrap on this thing. We're gonna get her back on the road, get the body panels back on. I'm gonna start just kind of daily in this thing around town because it's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. This is Uncouth Chairlessness. Thank you for your time. Oh, come on. So little.